Hello everybody, my name is Cora Wang. We'll have a celebration of Chinese New Year in Marlands on February 28th. Hope I can see you here.
11:30 to 1:30. So that celebration we have including Chinese dragon dance, lion dances, and martial arts performances, and Chinese traditional dance, singing, and you name it, and a lot of free activities for children, adults, families. So gonna be really great events on this Saturday. So if you are free, and please come join us this Saturday, and let's celebrate this special event together. And are gonna be really good. Also, just to let you guys to know that celebration is organized by Hampshire Chinese Association and UK Shaolin, supported by Southampton City Council and local businesses and partners as well, and communities. So yeah, this event is going to be really good. So yeah, please do come down to join us.